Hi, Carmen here. Let me show you the most practical unit at the Ruma Residences, the 915 square feet, 2+1 bedroom layout. This unit offers just the right balance of space and comfort, perfect for singles, couples, or small families who want to stay right in the heart of KL City. And best of all, you're within walking distance to KLCC and Pavilion KL. It doesn't get more central than this. That means your future home is surrounded by top shopping, dining and offices, making it perfect for professionals, expats, or even as a high-demand rental unit. It's truly city living at its best. It comes partly furnished with high-end fittings, Smeg kitchen appliances, Hansgrohe bathroom fixtures, and built-in wardrobes, all giving it a premium, hotel-like vibe. The +1 room is great as a home office or reading space, a rare bonus for a unit this size. Interested to explore? Drop me a message. I'll be happy to show you around.